Introducing My Meeting Card. Available on both Apple and Android smart devices, My Meeting Card mobile app offers a badly needed and improved verification tool to track meeting attendance. Mental health struggles and alcohol-drug addiction remain at an all-time high. Whether you work in the field or not, we all know someone who's been personally affected by these issues. Studies have shown that support groups such as 12-step meetings have proven successful for thousands and are often recommended by counselors, therapists, and even family members. In many DUI cases, these meetings are even ordered by the judge. But how do you know if they are really going to meetings? Those outdated small meeting papers are a thing of the past. My Meeting Card mobile app provides a solution. Users are able to download the app, create a profile, find meetings nearby, and most importantly, check into these meetings with their smartphone. Once checked into a meeting, the phone's GPS tracks their location and provides a digital timestamp until the meeting is over. When finished, the user simply checks out of the meeting, which generates an online report. This report can be securely sent via email to a therapist, probation officer, court representative, or loved one. Your information is 100% secure, and our app is also HIPAA compliant. With thousands of meetings added daily, the app also gives the user a chance to create a new meeting if not already in our system. That meeting is marked pending until it is verified by our support team. If a user tries to leave the meeting area physically while checked in, the app sends a warning message to the mobile device. My Meeting Card mobile app works nationwide and even supports online meetings. Visit www.mymeetingcard.com to get started.